In this practice, we will add type mark information to a structural element schedule and the elements that are connected to that schedule. We will then place a schedule to a sheet and add elements in the project. Open Structural Schedule RVT file from the Practice Files folder. In the project browser, expand Schedule Quantities All Node. Note that 4 schedules have been added to this project. Double-click on the footing schedule to open it. Note that the bearing footing lengths are shown as varies, indicating that there is more than one length. In Properties, click Edit, next to Sorting and Grouping. In the Schedule Properties dialog box, select Itemize Every Instance. Click OK. The schedule now lists all the footing types and their lengths. Let's save the project. Open the 3D View Foundation view. This view only displays the foundation elements, including concrete piers, footing, walls, and wall footings. Rotate the view so you can see the stairs and the elevator shaft openings. Open the structural element schedule. The existing structural elements in the project populate the schedule. Expand the width of the columns as needed to read the content. Note that only the concrete columns have a type mark. In the type mark column, besides wall footings, bearing footings, 24-inch by 12-inch, type W-1. The warning dialog box shown displays because the element is a type parameter. Therefore, you are alerted before you make any changes. Let's click OK. Select wall foundation, bearing footings, 36-inch by 12 inches. In the Modify, Schedule Quantities tab, Element panel, click Highlight and Model. In the shown elements in the View dialog box, click Show until you see the foundation element displayed in a 3D foundation view. With the element highlighted, in Properties, click Edit Type. In the Type Properties dialog box, in the Identity Data section, set the type mark to W-2. Click OK to finish. Return to the Structural Element Schedule view. The type mark is now applied. Open the other schedule and review the information. Let's save the project. In the project browser, create a new sheet called S-801-Schedules. Drag and drop the structural element schedule into the sheet. Zoom in and use the arrows at the top of the schedule to modify the width of the column to ensure that the titles display correctly. In the schedule, note the number of the concrete columns and their related footings. Open the Structural Plan 00 Top of Footing view. Zoom in and copy a concrete column and its footing to a nearby grid line location that does not have an existing column. Switch back to the sheet view. Note that the numbers in the schedule have automatically updated to include the new column. Switch to the Structural Element Schedule view. Note that these column numbers have also been updated. Let's save and close the project.